Poppy Playtime Chapter 5.
Asaktin na kaya mo kasi. Foxy naman ko ayun na. Tama.
Through there. The pipes will get you down. Meet me up in R&D once you got what you need. I'll get things cooking.
Okay, inuusan mo ito. We actually shoot it out. Jenny. Sunada? Ah. Jelly bear. Jelly. Here we are. A funny jelly. I like this. Ooh. Jelly bear on the sidewalk. Yay! Jelly bear! Anong nga ako na cactus sa nga? O nga? Tama. Naptin sa pa. Sakko kamakazi nakpo. Oo na, likupit. Sudah na. Kudak tanak po giyan ito sa shwaksin lava ka. Matag ko ino siya kasi yan. Where are you? Scan. Kasi saka sa'yo naksibo ka si kon. Kurachi. Anong nga kurachi nga what's it mo na kakarakan. Kurachi nga kakso nga nakputsa pasing nga nakpa. Nakan na nyo sa mining ko pinakanak to kakarakan. Natapok pa so ilang utsiyot na.
This is ridiculous. Tying them up, leaving them in there. Just kill them and be done with it.
It wasn't supposed to be like this.
Don't be a coward. You know what they did to us.
Okay, what did these people do? Huh? They work in a warehouse that never even been down to play care. You don't know them any more than I do. Let's just leave before...
Survivors. In there. He tied them up.
Why?
Because he's soft.
But this isn't... I can't. I just can't. You can. You have to. No. No, I...
They can't leave. And they can't stay.
But I never wanted this.
Want is inconsequential. We agreed.
We do this
Together.
Cool. Why not secret much? Kasi tiro tipo. Family ang basic. Kinapadawan familiar basing na ako yo. Yani. Nothing so far. Why not? Tako si familiar basing ako yo. Naruha ko just naging 어찌라단 자꾸 가라 아까쇼 고치락 오늘 실수지라 Come back 자꾸 가라가 약속이 오마비치 도구나 Aduanas. Kita ko daw si mga nakton. Api. Hand. God damn it. Oh, those songs. So kanya may tukti siya pa watching. Way.
When Braun eats, we all eat.
Hey, talk to me. Thank you. Are you live? Are you joking me? 꼭 가득 보시는 작가 마 28격시 뭐 aku sa ta ko na ko ha ta wenga nakanu chinguni ya inga yupi tanne motirak Nami? Ai. Wee. Sí. Allora. Ini pam Tainga positiivio tava kakkuana resorsuusiilluut eqqaaraariaqlu What's up? Mitä on sun muu?
Toymaker.
Oh. Toymaker. Ho. Cool. Appi. Ako siya ng karok pa. Ako siya si mga rock pa. Si. Hey. Nakangin lang din. Wang ah. I'm Tom. Siêu octopum đi. Ano ba, nol? Octopum đi. Ngon á. Okay. Sakparo to sumato nga sasanak ko eh, ha? May shorting mo, busy shokin, eh? Ah! Understand you! Oops. Kasi...
Something better, but if you don't let the orphans go, you won't get it. Don't you see that? Even if you kill me, you'll be fighting the others for years. Please, just let them go, and no one else needs to die for either of us. Please.
Everything dies, Poppy.
Everything except us.
Refuse truth. Refuse reality. You orphans can never go free.
Otherwise, we'll be left with nothing.
And infinity will be lonely.
One way to make you see this.
No! No! Playtime! Please! Stop! Please!
Appi. Sequence na sawa. Be coffee in there, no? Hapu! Naku, siya nakshort ako karaka. Ako siya pa siguro nakpakaw sa karaka, no? Kaya kamarad? No ba? Oh. I got the Fossy! Foxy! Secret cheer. Secret cheer sa ako sa akin. Ako siya nasa pa. Bye! Tusiyan na matagos. Peekaboo! I'm stay here. Not yet. Ah. Okay. Okay. Positive. Climb. And here is another beach. Very easy to run. Here we are. May sisusong anak na mga iniyakin na siya nga. Ayak tumakak sa kanyang karawak po ha. Oi. Ha. Ah. Ano loki ah. Ah, understand. Clever. Nyong. This is easy. Nabi, oh bah. Hello? Everybody home? Close the door. What do you do? What do you want? Amazing. 비디오 오리 소리가 똑신 나오는 기사. 잠깐만. 혹시 레빈님 모르겠어? 오, 레빈님 뿜가. 왜 뿜가? 생선 구독fisk한 게 똑루. Hello? Who is this? Hello? I. Who are you? Ah. Clever. I goes. Jump scare. Nope. Hey! Clever, clever, positive. And is that you, gang? Ah. Clever, clever, clever. I goes. Ah! I'm too scared! Not. Dingy dingy ding. Forward. You boss. Hello. 이노사각시모 오늘을 지금 시작하고. 에이! Here we go again. Something not today. Hello.
Okay, so again, thank you all for coming in and being a part of this focus group. Now, what you just saw was a promo for our newest line of toys, the Wrong Side Outimals. And we'd love to get your honest reaction to...
I think they're disgusting.
Oh. Okay. Well, hey, no wrong answers. Can you tell me a little...
And satanic.
Uh-huh. They do sort of look a bit... demonic. Ugh.
Is that what you're trying to teach kids? how to turn animals inside out?
Is the octopus... Is he turning into a fish skeleton? I don't get it.
Octopuses don't have bones.
Okay, everyone. Let's stay on track here. So I have, disgusting. Yep. Okay.
In a bad way.
Great. Yes. Disgusting in a bad way. I wrote it down twice. Okay. Anyone
And
else?
satanic.
Yeah. I wrote that one down. Yeah. We're good on Satan.
What if they had a skateboard?
I'm sorry?
What if one of these outsidables, you know, what if he had a skateboard?
Okay. You'd like one of them.
I mean, I wouldn't like it, but, you know, who cares?
I just really think it's all in bad taste. It's so very Jeffrey Dahmer.
Okay, how about positive feedback? Is there anything that we like?
I like the one with the Dobby.
Oh, that's that's a paintbrush.
Oh, then I like it.
Fuck. Heppa! Hey! 자, 라미로 찍다가 약과. 샷, 我是入。哎哎哎，喂！Everyone. Haha! Qui jamais kakaiwak? Ano ang asok? Timon? Peach?
Timon! Timon?
I don't know why. I got the Timon. Experimento success. I got the Timon!
Timon! Timon?
Timon? I got the Timon! No experimento. I heard something. Ooh.
Timon! Timon?
How? Kaboom! Why? Sequence the sawa.
Reminders. Friendly reminder that the genetically modified vegetation present in this workspace is not to be removed without authorization. We know one of you has been taking citrus from this lab and leaving them around the factory as some kind of joke. Let it be known, there will be repercussions if this behavior continues. Management. His name is Limon. He has a family.
Esperimento.
Abstract. In testing the interactions between growth medium and various biological materials, we observed that plant life exposure exhibits traits both intriguingly similar to, and disturbingly different from, that of flesh. Both facets raise significant concern. Materials. Pure growth medium concentrate various flora, fruits, and vegetables. Observations. Plant roots appeared to take on the quality of weeds over several weeks, tangling as though to choke neighboring growth. Closer inspection revealed a coalescing structure, a shared system rather than competition. Enlarged stems, leaves, and fruits soon followed. During an unprotected interaction, one specimen appeared to latch onto my assistant. Further contact is strongly discouraged. When the resulting fruits and vegetables were tested on both mice and rats, internal consumption began within hours following ingestion, similar to fungal degradation of organic tissue. Conclusion: all produced seeds, fruits, and vegetables are to be considered toxic and parasitic. Until a more stable strain can be developed, direct interaction with any plant matter is prohibited. We need to develop a means of counteracting the growth medium if we're to continue this line of research. Otherwise, the flora will spread completely out of our control. If the proposed negation formula we're developing is everything we intend, then this should more than suffice.
Şuraya bak, bizim akbarım. İstiyor yok başın ona. Timber! Timber! Timber! Ah, push the bar. Understand you. Shoot. Rồi mà chưa sắp làm mình ó. Nó chỉ shipping in nọc yeah. We're here, what's this? What do you do? What do you want? Ah, positive. My favorite positive. Wait. You're punky? Ah, you. Are you? And Rishi. Yup. أيوة. Phew. Anong ratan na? Tama siya no na. Inosa? Ala ta ta ta ta ta ta ta. Saffen med jo suotusangde tuo alai. What do you do? What do you want? What do you mean? Alai. Right. Where is she shiny? I can't climb. Ah! Tunga sa mga sangaw tok. Pakakan, tutupo nga. Kuchichiwini ko nga madakaman eh. No radio, no show. Nó đọc sân si mố rồi. Nó miêu nè.
Pumpkin, and I guess you too, David. Haha, hey you. Sending my love from a particular toy factory out west. Still insanely weird to say out loud. Missing you both like crazy right now. And I know, it's only been a couple of weeks, but still. Anyways, I told you I'd give you an update on the kind of people I'm meeting here in the lab. Some of the scientists here are super quiet, keeping mostly to themselves. They love the work, just not the people. Some are kind, but they almost feel a little sad when you talk to them. I can't exactly say why. And others are, well, let's say they're not the type one wanted to see here. There's this initial group of scientists that everyone else is built around. The Brain Trust. I'm told these people were from some relic program in the 60s called the Young Geniuses Program. The head of them is a guy named Harley Sawyer. You guys would hate him. He's the type to let others break their backs lifting hay and then congratulate himself on the good work he did. I know the offer was a strange one. And David, I know you're worried about me. You don't even need to say it. You've just always been like that. But I really believe in this. Playtime sold me a vision that means something. Maybe even everything. It's not enough for me to just patent a thing and make a bit of money off it, then retire somewhere to teach it in a class where nobody really cares about what you've dedicated your life to. I need what I do to be more than that. Julie, I want you to be proud to have a mommy like me. And I swear, I'm going to do just that. Promise to be home for your 9th birthday. Love, Dr. Chloe Arkins.
Unakakpo, unakakshoniru, majok sa chimushimasu. Ooh. Ako sisanukan ng niyaksaga sa misusasaking nilaga. Almost jump scare. Ooh, yes. What do you do? What do you want? Roll. Anong raw na kutsisya? So, dapat. 친구셔 약하셔. Anong geraga? Editor 솔직히 샹가? 직각도 구라너의 암이. Nakakasindaw ngayon si kita sasanap search. Kaya sayak sama. Kung may marin na siyang. So, magpunang naksimang. Kung may marayak sama. No? Some reason I gotta do that. Oh.
Hey, that grabber looks good on you. This is Chum Chompkins, my guy on the inside. We, sort of look out for each other. Chum, this is who everyone's been talking about. Poppy's Angel, the Playtime Butcher. Come on, I was just filling in Chum on our plan.
Ano ang message showing
We're not the first to try and take out the prototype. Everyone who tries, they fail. I mean, you've seen the guy, he's so juiced up on that pink stuff, you can cut him in half and he just put himself back together. Everyone has a weakness. Playtime, he did all kinds of studies, poking him with needles and, making spreadsheets. And all that science, it's here. Come on! How many years we've been talking about taking this guy out? This is our chance. See? say. Everything happens for a reason.
Don't string. I wish you teddy bear. Oh. Ma taco ma adesso quando ho sappamit. Tengok. Ah. Savelks. No? Oh, you. Come on. Can I check it? Fuck you. Ah. Ah. Está here. Free. You too. Onaklık. Ona. Taba onaklık. Ambok teriak semua. Onaklık. Pengemaringan ni. I'm a legend. Oh. Ah ha ha. Okay. Secret yok başı putana. Meter. Nó chỉ một sinh đan này hả? Unasikking ussiussoo unasiussiurarlun tavartiverissuma tuataas time for now. Yep. 3 2 1 go. Bưng. Ra. Come on, Leox. Aktivel.
Should be a way to get that door open. Hey, Chum. Any idea what to do?
Nope. Cá vào nó ngủ. Hỏi.
I got it. Maybe unplug it and plug it back in again.
Trappi. Riippuu on naam.
I hope the prototype isn't waiting for us.
Trapputs. What? Ah.
Oh boy. I hope the prototype isn't waiting for us. Steady as she goes. You're doing great.
Ah, nah. Macam mga sak dawang oh.
Hey, Joe. Tell them they're doing great. Yeah, just keep going. You're almost there. Yeah, right there. Just hit the scanner.
Where? Where? Kishabe! Dava. Tamaning ususo. Ufakikan ni. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-bam. Ba-da-bam. Hello.
Engineering team, I just wanted to say, for a bunch of socially mal-developed super geniuses who can miraculously pull together miracles just ahead of deadline, you are all absolute morons. Let me break down the concepts, I say derogatorily. You've sent me, gravity, hand, really? This is the fantasy the company's innovation dime is going toward? Gun hand, gunny oney, first. A pox on whoever came up with this travesty of a name. Second, are you seriously about to give a bunch of overworked and severely underpaid 909ers a gun hand? Let's think about this. Big freaking fist. What employee under Playtime's payroll needs a fist? Please, enlighten me. I would love to hear your reasoning, and then promptly hand you a straitjacket, please. The last thing I need in lead reviews is to show these travesties off like they're serious projects. Promptly toss these down into recycling and reclamation, and let's forget all about them. I know I intend to. Adam Worthy, head of engineering.
I'm too slow. Superstar. Into pumps to pumps. You be pumps. Reaction ha? Oh nado? Aba. Şuraya reaction'dan oluşuyor. Narungra daman yaksan sikwet sakaktunan na iruatsin yayo ringa. soqingala wana toqsimarartoqingala chichuarpaps nakuyo naqsuni where do we catnap chichuarpaps 가보십니까? 아. 아니나? 잡아. No Shakespeare. Dava. No Shakespeare. Siêu Dava. Ringen nó sao còn nói không biết chịu.
An intercepted communique unknown sender number 1. They all go on, at great length, about this imagined future of theirs. It's exhausting. Their eyes are so set on a new chapter of history that they ignore the current one. Unknown sender number 2. Remember, we used to believe in that future too. Hard to turn down the prospect of a world where humanity lives without strife until the stars wink out. Unknown sender number 1. I never stopped believing. I just stopped ignoring the cost. Unknown sender number 2. One of the mind's many strengths, I suppose, its ability to ignore its own capacity for cruelty. Just have patience. Our deal with 1006 still holds, and I doubt he'd back out of it now. Unknown sender number 1. Good. Making preparations as we speak. Master backup data archive stores a wealth of information, procedures, methods, as myself, our strengths, our flaws. Backup version is identical to the working version, unclear which is original, or if it matters, too valuable to erase. Need to keep as leverage. Keep stored in data center, just in case. Negation compound presentation. 1 of 6 research findings. Legacy subjects gold level authorized personnel only. Sensitive information ahead. Negation compound presentation. Team has identified key substrate used in Mr. Ludwig's process. Restorative gel mixture encourages cellular regeneration and tissue growth. Integral to experiment successful outcomes. Spreads indefinitely when untreated and exposed to biomass. Chemical analysis indicates some similarities to DMEM, comparable levels of salt, amino acids, and B vitamins. However, Ludwig's mixture outperforms all other commercially available culture mediums. Beware, exposure to raw, untreated substrate may be hazardous. Documented sequelae include non-biological biological grafting, progressive subluxation, with sustained exposure, heterotopic ossification, urticaria, hives, multisensory distortion. Team has successfully recreated this medium in a lab environment, now able to create, modify, and neutralize the medium as well. See, negation compound. Negation compound renders the medium inert, required for preventing runaway overgrowth caused by self-replication. Addendum, the 12th of July 1993. All information and records regarding the gel medium and its negation compound are now archived on the following.
Anak jerpok, check. Dah, sudah kau ni matok tu. Sudah. Sudah, cuma sih matok luar. Bong đi. Cho cái mi. 좀 예쁜가? 오.
Dave, I've been reviewing your concerns about our head of shipping.
He's becoming some sort of people's champion. Now too many noses are sniffing around. We deal with this now, we'll make him a martyr.
Not if we deal with it the right way.
Oh?
I think Mr. Lovitz is due for a promotion.
You're serious?
Oh, he can't be the people's champion if he's one of us. Up his pay, his title, new parking spot. Give him a new car, too. Let everyone think he sold his soul.
And if it doesn't work?
You worry too much. Try focusing on the bigger picture. Our friends in Tokyo are coming up to speed. At this rate, this factory won't even be our main focus in a few short years.
And the park?
Renovations are underway. I'll be inspecting the premises next week, 7th to the 12th. I trust you won't burn this place down in my absence.
I'll do my best. Though I won't lie, this place is feeling more like a powder keg every day.
Nambah sibok. Kasi chirotip po. Mayuwakin na kayo. Ah! May balak ko Hey! Mami ako mang leche ko yung shoot. What the pa sinaksak kaput? Sikot sinasayok.
Letter to Leith number 1. Leith, I'm pleased to say that one of my pet projects has had a breakthrough. During our latest attempt at neural mapping, we were able to successfully record and reconstruct brief subjective moments from our subject's short-term memory. If we can scale this practice, it could give a whole new dimension to our work. Think about it. How many subjects can we realistically pull from Home Sweet Home? 30%, 50%? I can hardly imagine this being sustainable in the long term. If, however, we use the mapper, it could allow us to completely reconstruct a subject's psyche based on prior imaging. We could do this as many times as needed, provided we have the proteins and lipids. That is to say, duplication. Were that the case, we'd never need to worry about a shortage of test candidates again. Dr. Sawyer.
No, Cherry Bear! God damn it! Fucking gun! Tutupong ah! La la la la! Para pa pa pa! Para pa pa pa! Cleaning, knitting. Who is this? Sorry. I'm dead. Fire! 똑같이 가는 기억 셌다고요, 엄마. 어디야? 잠깐만. 야, siudarak tunggu betul. I know everything.
Subjective. Patient reports increasing difficulty with ambulation, states a growing weakness in the quadriceps and grip strength, denies any notable falls, but details near falls as a daily occurrence. Patient believes he is experiencing a more rapid physical deterioration. Mild dysarthria noted. Tongue fasciculations observed. Objective. Vitals WNL. Notable atrophy of the bilateral quadriceps. Hand grip strength decreased versus prior visit. Gait slow, unsteady, requires an assistive device. No signs of acute distress otherwise. Assessment. DX. Spinal and bulbar muscular atrophy. Kennedy's disease. Progressive, degenerative myopathy. Disease progression consistent with expectations. Increased weakness likely due to natural progression. Plan. Continue supportive care. PT. OT as tolerated. Reinforce fall precautions. Refill prescriptions for pain medication. Notes. Remember to maintain positivity.
Let's see. No, tämä on näin vuosit. Kun sinä pyysin nahtauksessa, nämä se päätös, mutta bye bye.